Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pindo Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video I'm going to show how to make traditional Goan fish curry. As we all know, we all love fish curry and this is a coconut based curry. For that what I've taken is I've taken pomfret, two each of pomfret I've cut, applied salt and kept it on the side. At least for 20 minutes you need to apply salt and keep before making the curry. The main ingredient is the coconut. I've taken one each of coconut, grated coconut. What I did is I've added water, the same level in a jar, and I have blended and strained and kept. It's coconut milk. Also, I've taken garlic, which is 5 cloves peeled and kept. 1 tablespoon of dry coriander, whole coriander. Then I've taken half a size of a lemon, which is tamarind, and half teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin. Also I've taken chillies. This gives you color. Kashmiri chilies I've taken 5 of each and 2 of dry red chilies. This gives you spiciness. So let's start with the cooking process now. Now what we have to do is we need to grind all the dry ingredients also. I'll be adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a blender jar and get all these ingredients to a fine paste. Guys, we'll start with the cooking process now for the traditional Goan fish curry. What I have used is I'm using the earthen pot. Pot is already hot and we'll add oil in order to saute the onion. I've taken one onion, medium size chopped. Guys, we need to saute this onion till it becomes nice and brown. And we have to keep continuously stir it so it gets even color. Continuously you need to stir it. You don't have to make it brown, very brown, nice. Golden is good enough. Guys, check this out. This is half done now. Now I will add curry patta to this. Few sprigs. Saute it for a while. Guys, check this out. This is already sauteed now, golden brown in color. Now I will add the grind what we dry ingredients what we grind and kept to a very fine paste. Guys, this you have to keep it on a very slow flame. Do not keep it on a high flame before adding the coconut milk. Now I'll add coconut milk to this and leave this on a very slow range. Let it simmer for a while. This I've kept it on simmer. What you have to do is I've applied salt and kept for the fish. Now for the gravy I will add little bit of salt just for the gravy. Mix this and keep and let this simmer. Guys, since our gravy is boiling now, I've kept it on a very slow flame. I will add fish to this. Nicely arranged. You have to mix it well. And leave this on simmer till the fish is cooked. At this stage, check the seasoning, the salt. If you feel that you need more salt, you can add. This will cover it and keep till the fish is cooked. Guys, it has been simmering for 10 to 12 minutes. Do not overcook the fish. Gravy is already ready. Check the thickness. And while the fish is getting cooked, do not use ladle to mix it. Just by hand only. Stir the pan. And one more thing to keep in mind, when you cook the gravy, after adding fish also do not cover it and keep, as it has coconut milk and there are chances of getting it split. This is already ready now. I'm going to turn off the flame and this is ready to serve now. Check the color, as my camera is not catching the color. It is nice in orange color. Guys, check this out. Check out the color. It is nice orange and rich, creamy gravy. That is because of the coconut milk. Check this out. Guys, check this out. Check out this delicious curry. Coconut base. This is traditional Goan curry. Follow each and every step. Check my ingredients which I have used, and you can make this better at home. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Tell your friends and family, and hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new recipe, you will be the first one to get my video. Thank you very much. God bless you all.